Neurodiversity celebrates the natural variations in human brains and minds. It recognizes that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to how our brains work. Just like we have different hair colors and heights, our brains are also diverse. Neurodiversity is about appreciating these differences. The term neurodivergent refers to individuals whose brains function differently from what is considered typical. This difference is not a deficit, but a different way of experiencing the world. Neurodivergent individuals may process information, learn, or socialize in distinct ways. Neurodiversity includes autism, ADHD, dyslexia, dyspraxia, and more. Each condition represents unique strengths and challenges. It's about recognizing and valuing the unique perspectives neurodivergent individuals bring. By embracing neurodiversity, we create a more inclusive society for everyone. One of the most well-known examples of neurodivergence is autism spectrum disorder, or ASD. People with ASD may have unique social communication styles and strong interests in specific topics. Many individuals with ASD excel in areas like pattern recognition and visual thinking. Attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD, is another common neurodivergent condition. People with ADHD may have trouble paying attention or controlling impulsive behaviors. They often bring creativity and out-of-the-box thinking to the table. Dyslexia affects reading fluency and comprehension. They often possess strengths in spatial reasoning and problem solving. This is not an exhaustive list of neurodivergent conditions. The spectrum is vast and varied, encompassing a wide range of neurological profiles. The science behind neurodivergence is complex and still being explored. Research suggests that differences in brain structure, function, and chemistry play a role in how neurodivergent individuals process information and experience the world. For example, studies on autism have shown variations in the development of certain brain regions, such as the amygdala, which is involved in emotional processing, and the prefrontal cortex, responsible for executive functions. These differences can influence social interaction, sensory processing, and communication. In ADHD, research points to imbalances in neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, which are crucial for attention, motivation, and impulse control. These imbalances can lead to the characteristic symptoms of inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. While scientists continue to unravel the complexities of neurodivergent brains, it's essential to recognize that these differences are not inherently negative. They represent alternative pathways in brain development, leading to diverse ways of thinking, learning, and interacting with the world. Neurodivergence, while often framed through challenges, is also a source of unique strengths and talents. Many neurodivergent individuals possess exceptional abilities that benefit society. For instance, individuals with ASD excel in fields requiring attention to detail and pattern recognition. People with ADHD thrive in dynamic environments known for their creative thinking. Dyslexic individuals excel in careers demanding visual thinking and innovation. Embracing these abilities creates a society benefiting from the full spectrum of human potential. Embracing cognitive diversity is not just about acceptance. It's about recognizing the value that neurodivergent individuals bring to our communities, workplaces, and society as a whole. It's about creating environments where everyone feels supported, respected, and empowered to reach their full potential. In education, this means moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to learning and embracing individualized teaching methods that cater to diverse learning styles. It means providing accommodations and support systems that enable neurodivergent students to thrive. In the workplace, embracing cognitive diversity means creating inclusive environments that value different ways of thinking and working. It means providing accommodations, flexible work arrangements, and opportunities for neurodivergent employees to showcase their unique talents. By fostering a culture of understanding and acceptance, we can unlock the potential of neurodiversity and create a more equitable and inclusive world for everyone. Understanding neurodiversity is not just about acknowledging differences, it's about celebrating them. It's about recognizing that human brains come in a beautiful array of variations, each with its own strengths and challenges. By embracing neurodiversity, we challenge the notion of a normal brain and create space for everyone to thrive, regardless of how their brain is wired. We move away from a deficit-based model of disability and towards a strengths-based approach that values the unique contributions of all individuals. As we continue to learn more about the complexities of the human brain, let's commit to building a world where neurodiversity is not just accepted, but embraced as a source of strength, innovation, and human potential. Let's work together to create a society where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued for who they are.